Well, past evaluations in minor hockey were done with the old school pen and paper. Line up your volunteers, give them a clipboard, a pencil, an eraser, and sheets marked 1 to 5, and you tell us what you seen the kid do. You were given a list of maybe 15 or 20 children that you had to watch during the evaluation process, and then once that was done on paper, for each group, then of course come the time-consuming task of taking all that data, trying to decipher through it, and put it into a spreadsheet so we could come up with some type of a rating system for the next skate, who moved on, who didn't move on. Oh, problems we incurred in past with our evaluations ranged from entry errors, data entry errors when you were putting the information in. You can't understand the writing of one of the evaluators and you give a kid a 6 instead of an 8, or you just confused and you got the wrong number assigned to the evaluation, so you give some child marks that he shouldn't have been entitled to and you took them away from a different kid. So that, and just the time constraints that it took. Like, an evaluation session ended at 6, 7 o'clock in the evening, and I had staff here in the office with myself. We would work till midnight, data entry, putting all that information in so we could post the next group's skates for the next day. So it was just horrendous. Well, initially, right off the bat, cost savings with SkillShark. We reduced our overtime the first year we've used SkillShark by about 65%. So the cost of the program itself and everything related to it paid for itself within the first group of evaluation skates. Very happy with what we've saved dollar-wise. And it's not just the dollar value, it's the time, the time that people put into it. At midnight, when you've been in the rink since 8 o'clock in the morning, at midnight when you're sitting at a computer still inputting data, your frustration level and your patience level is gone. We didn't have as much of that this year. So, you know, 2 areas: time savings and just mental state of the people putting the information into the system. Some of the major advantages we've seen from SkillShark this year, from my perspective as the general manager, of course, the data entry was eliminated completely. Like, the evaluators did it when they put the information into the iPad. So no errors, no transposition errors, everything, it just went perfect there. The other major advantage I seen was we got more quantifiable data. We were able to sit down after the evaluations with the parents and the players themselves and go through and show them a very professional looking document as to, this is how you rated in the group, this is how you rated overall in the division, and specific to each skill that we evaluated on. And I think that probably is one of the greatest benefits of it, is that it's a professional document. We're a professional organization, and we finally are presenting a professional document back to our membership.
Use SkillShark for your next evaluation and make the most of your team information.